guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Adidas Fear of God Athletics 1 basketball. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bar so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. And let's go. And today we've got a look at the first Adidas Fear of God sneaker from the basketball collection, well, the Athletics collection. And it's the Athletics 1 basketball. And we got this in the carbon colorway in the UK size 8. It's a US 8.5 and it's a European 42. So for those that don't know, Gerald Lorenzo is now with Adidas, and this is his first basketball sneaker with Adidas. He did do the one time ago with Nike. Those were really cool actually. I really liked it, especially that yellow pair. But this is his first one with Adi, and let's go unboxing. Let's open it up. But whilst I'm doing that, before, if you don't know who Gerald Lorenzo is, he's probably one of the most iconic designers at the minute. He's the founder of Fear of God, a premium fashion label, and they do essentials. So I'm pretty sure you've seen all those hoodies and tracksuits with essentials on it. That's under the umbrella of the Fear of God collection. But we've got ourselves a Fear of God sneaker here with Adidas, and just before I get unboxing, let's just show the box. So you've got all these little cool details. So you've got the Adidas Fear of God embossed logo there, free stripe on the top, and once we get this lid off, it's a lot of packaging. So you've got this foil bag. There we go. There. And it's like it's vacuum sealed, but it's not actually stuck over it, and what do you call it? Cooking root system. Again, more unnecessary packaging, but here's the sneaker themselves. So even the details of the sneaker, like the whole silhouette, just reminds me of Adi's basketball lines. So from your Harden Volume 7s, we've done the reviews, so do check that out. And we've done Trae Young's sneakers as well. It's got that similar look. It's a very sock liner, where you still got all that padding and Adi goodness there. We'll start with the outsole when we look at the details of this sneaker in particular. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. Actually, it's a translucent one that goes all the way onto the midsole. You can see it all around. And it's got your herringbone traction patterning. The midsole has an anti-strike cushioning system. So unfortunately, I wish it had boost. But that's just myself. I love an ultra boost or boost technology. Midsole, even the cushioning is really cool. But we've seen anti-strike here on the midsole for your cushioning. The upper, so the upper is essentially a sock liner. You can see the bits of neoprene, but it's knitted, and you got parts of heat pressed plastic, some TPUs. So you can see it at the toe box right there. It's like a coating over the knit. If you look at the lateral and the medial side, this takes inspiration from one of the greatest football boots of all time, the Adidas Predator, and that cage system takes inspiration from that. So you can see this free stripe cage is reminiscent of the Adidas Predator, famously worn by David Beckham and Zinedine Zidane. No, Zinedine Zidane. I don't know why I said it like that. Same on the medial side. Right there. Look at the lacing system. So this lacing system got thick laces, it's got a toggle right there at the end, and another toggle for the sock liner, that's just there. Where we're moving on towards, so this sock liner is essentially your ankle support and what keeps your feet in, and it's neoprene, again like a sock liner, it's going to keep your feet in. It's like the Hirachi, it's Adi's one. And you look at the back, you've got your textile pieces there, and you've got the Fear of God logo also. Just look at the insole. So the insole, you've got foam insole with Adidas logo, well the lettering, sorry, and it's very lightweight. It's what you want in a basketball sneaker. I've yet to see any NBA players wear these. I can only think of James Harden at the top of my head and Trae Young. They're the only ones in my memory who are with Adi at the minute, so you can be sure that they're going to be wearing these, hopefully. And I mean, Gerald Lorenzo is synonymous when it comes to sport. He himself was in marketing for baseball, and you know, all this that he's done with Fear of God, transitioned it with Nike, and now he's with Adi. So you're right that he made a basketball sneaker. Really excited to try these on actually, because big fan of basketball myself. We're not going to do a performance review, none of these ones actually, but if you do want to see that kind of footage from us, you want to see that content, let us know in the comment section below. We won't know unless you guys let us know. With all that said, let's try these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. I'm a UK size 8 when it comes to Adi, and these fit perfectly. It's a little tight, I'm not gonna lie, around where the toes are, but this is what I expect for a basketball sneaker, because you know you want that lockdown support. It's very comfortable, I must admit, but it does at times feel like it's putting my feet. I think it's the cage system. But other than that, I'll be honest, if I was gonna be playing basketball in these, I feel like I'm gonna have to switch to a lighter sneaker. It feels a bit heavy on the outsole, but that's just my personal preference. I prefer a lighter feel. I want that close to the court feel, you know. But that's just me. But as a lifestyle sneaker, I think it looks really good. I'm wearing these sweatpants I got from Weekday. So if you live in the UK, check it out. But other than that, Jerry's done a fantastic job. It reminds me of his Fear of God Nike sneakers, but obviously it's Adi. Jerry can't go wrong in my eyes. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.